Welcome to my channel Majestic Nisarg. Today I will show you how to purify fruits with an lemon. In the last video, lot of people commented I don't have a purifier machine. So what I will do? Those people who don't have purifiers, now I will show you how to purify these fruits and vegetables with another fruit. These are 2 lemons. We are going to now purify these fruits and vegetables with lemons. In which market you will shop, you will still find when you are shopping vegetables or fruits, you can still buy some lemons. They can be found in any market. Now I will cut this and make this into a juice. Guys, I brought fruits and vegetables from the market. Look at this. These are all fruits and vegetables. I cleaned all of these fruits with fresh water. Guys, look, I grinded the lemon into a juice. Look. Guys, and we need some salt. 1 liter is 1 lemon and 1 tablespoon of salt. So guys, let's start. First, we need to pour 1 liter of water. Now I will have to pour all of this grinded lemon and salt into here. Now I will have to mix it. Now we will have to put all of these fruits and vegetables into the bowl. Guys, you should also put the peelings into the bowl. You will need to stir this after some minutes and again. You need to do this for 30 minutes. Guys, 30 minutes is over. Now we will have to take out the fruits and vegetables. There's a beautiful lemon smell. You need to wash the vegetables and fruits with fresh water. It will kill germs, bacteria and pesticides. All of you should try this at home and bye.